Hey, all you Sibian Symboholics. Next symbol. 22-inch custom shop. It's like artisan elite hammering, 3 rivet holes, and completely lathe at the bottom. Signed by Mark Love. So let's hear it. Medium lightweight, got some flex to it. Should be like a crash ride. Here we go. Beautiful.